from the headlights. No sleep, about we wasting time with people that don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me. Turn myself in alcohol, that shit never helps at all. I might say some stupid things tonight when you pick up this call. I've been hearing silence on the other side for way too long. I can taste it on my tongue, I can tell there's something wrong, but I guess it's just my life, and I can take it if I wanna, but I cannot hide in hills of California, because these hills have eyes and I got paranoia. I hurt myself sometimes, is that too scary for you? Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, I'm always wasting time with people I don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me.
Roll me up and smoke me love, and we can fly into the night. Roll me up and smoke me love, and we can fly into the night. You take drugs to let go.
You wanna keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mindy, yeah. Stay up, take Addies, yeah. I'm trying to fix this damage, yeah. I'm in my head. I took more, ripped up the from my ear. I said fuck it, I was raised like that, so I guess I never really changed like that. I be taking shots to the brain like that, blacked out drunk in a cane like that. It's helping me to get through all the pain like that, yeah. Driving through the rain like that, I'm running for the fame like that. Why you claiming I'm a call puff when you the one that called Jimmy Facts? Then you ain't called Jimmy Facts. They drop us Cody in the morning, told me you mad about a tweet, you wanted me to say sorry.